Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy of Scott Leroy Marketing, and I just wanted to walk through all the items that you'll have at your disposal from your market center through our virtual tech services. So we're currently on the scottleroymarketing.com website, and where you'll want to start is by signing in with your market center numbers. I'm currently logged in right now, but once you sign in with your market center number, that's going to give you access to everything under this agent resources section. So the first thing that you're going to see on here is the questionnaire section. And you may recall filling this out when you first joined on as an agent at Keller Williams to get everything fully set up for you for all of your KDB technology. The one big thing that I do want to highlight for you though is even though you've been set up once, technology is consistently changing. So in this case, if you want to go back and say, hey, I was set up on January 15th, 2024, but what would happen if I was set up again on January 15th, 2025? Well, we have what we call our tech refresh option on here. And once you click on that tech refresh option, it'll just say, how can we help you today? Already at KW, needing a refresh. Once you click next, great, time for tech refresh. So what we're going to do on our end is we're basically going to go through and see what all could be set up as of today. What all may be missing, what all are you not utilizing quite yet that you could be using right away. All right, so that's a great way just to kind of see what all is accessible now that maybe you aren't privy to. Now, outside of that, we also have live webinars that are happening every Monday through Friday right at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Central, 11 a.m. Mountain, so on and so forth. So these classes are every Monday through Friday for you all to take advantage of. You can hop on here, join on. They are live workshop oriented, so if you do want to watch this on another screen, have two windows open, watch it on your phone, do it on your laptop, that's always beneficial to be able to see everything. These are live classes, so feel free to come with your questions if you want to ask any. And you can always view what classes are happening today, this week, this month under our training section for our training calendar. That's going to show you every class possible that we're going to be teaching on. Now, if you can't make it to the classes, that is A-OK. We do record literally anything and everything. So in this case, if you want to hop on here and view our recorded training classes, we'll have them all alphabetically organized, but then chronologically organized for you so you can access the most recent class right away. So whenever you click on any of these, it's going to show the most recent class to access, and it'll have the date in the title to help you out as well, too. Now, if a 1-hour training class is not your cup of tea, that's completely understandable. We also have to have what we call our tech tips. These are anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes on average, and this will allow us to go through and basically show you some quick items that you can utilize as an agent. So maybe you don't have time to go through and learn all about campaigns, but you just want to learn how to set up a Facebook ad. We'll have something on here just around that. Now, one of my favorite things to highlight for y'all is the agent support section. So when you click on agent support, it's going to take you to scottleroymarketing.com/support. And at the bottom of every page is our contact info. So if you have any issues, questions, concerns on any of the KDB technology, please feel free to reach out. That is what we're here for, to help you out even further. But beyond that, we also have all these free items that we can do for you. So we have them segmented by top rated on here. We have them segmented by marketing-specific support, items to get started with all the KDB technology, whether it's Command or anything else you might have. Items if you're looking to rebrand. All right, maybe you have a new brand that you're going under. Maybe you're leaving a team. Maybe you're joining a team. All right, we also have website-specific support around your Command website. A bunch of different items we can do to help you out even further. And even some additional items to build your business even further on here. All right, external of the KDB platform. Now, all of these little red rectangles are clickable buttons, so once you select one, it's going to take you to a new page to fill out a short form, so that way we'll know exactly what you're looking for to help you out immediately. All right, now, of course, if you don't want to fill this out, no worries. You can always just reach out to us at the bottom of every page and let us know what you're looking for so we can help out right away, too. Now, the final thing that we have on here that'll be accessible for you is under that agent resources section, we're going to have our templates. All free templates through Canva, so if you do not have a Canva account, we can get one created for you. And then also our Agent Concierge section. The Agent Concierge section is relatively new, so if you haven't utilized it yet, no worries. All right, this is all available for you if you happen to have any listing-specific collateral that you need created. So all you have to do is fill out this short form, let us know what kind of listing you have, obviously what you would like on there, what template you'd like to use, and we can help to get that created for you. It'll typically take about 1 business day once we receive this to get that up and running, so please feel free to fill this out as early as possible, specifically if you have an open house coming up. so we can get that out for you right away. And if you want to see some examples of pieces, obviously we have them down here, or feel free to click on any of the different social posts, flyers, or postcards to see some of the more popular ones that we have. So there you go. So that is a little bit of anything and everything that is available for you on the ScottLeroyMarketing.com site that is all accessible for you to utilize from the graciousness of the office. So please take advantage of this leverage. Let us know how we can help out even further, and please feel free to contact us at any time.